Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So recently I was rummaging through the reduced bin at Lidl supermarket here in the UK and I came across this cordless nailer, tacker, stapler machine. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and review of this tool. So recently when I was in Lidl supermarket I came across this deal. So the one I go to, there's like a bargains bin where there's reductions. I'm guessing it's returned items that have got bits missing, that sort of thing. And I picked up this cordless tacker slash nailer for £13.99, reduced from £19.99. So just under £14. I've picked up a cordless nail gun. So I'll just go through what it says on the front cover. Parkside Cordless Tacker slash nail gun nailer, 4 volts. The model is PAT4D6 and it says it's for 4 to 12mm staples and 6 to 10 times 1.2mm nails. Battery Li-ion 4 volt, 2000 milliamp hours. So it's a 2 amp hour battery. And it comes with a 3-year warranty, and it says on the box that it comes with staples, nails and a charging cable. I checked this before I bought it and it was just the nail gun in here. I've already got staples and I've already got a spare charging cable. It's a USB type C cable. I just happen to have one spare, just a standard USB-C cable, so that's not a problem. You can pick those up anywhere. So for £14 got myself a cordless nail gun. So let's have a look inside. Not much to report, as I say. The only thing that was in the box was the nail gun. So the charging port is here. There's a little indicator with 3 lights, red, amber and green, to tell you if it's fully charged or not. Plugs in here with a USB-C. Nice rubber grip handle, rubberized trigger switch here. You load the nails or the staples in at the bottom here. You just pinch this, load up that way. At the front here you've got the on and off switch. And that is about it really. Quite a simple tool. There's like a trigger here that you push down before you fire the gun. So I'll get this charged up and we'll give it a go on some wood. So the capacities of the brads and the staples are here. It tells you brads 6 to 10mm, staples 4 to 12mm. Here is the on and off button. Nice and easy and convenient. You can check the power when you press the trigger. Comes up here. Green is full, amber is half, and then red is like needs a charge. USB-C there. Nice comfy grip, lightweight. You open this up, put the staples or the brads in there, clicks back in place. Safety trigger here. When compressed the machine will fire. Nice neat little design, nice tidy little tool. Okay, so we've got some mixed results here. The pine, the staples clearly going flush every time, no problem there. And the brad nails, as long as you put a bit of pressure on them, they will go in flush, but you really need to get it nice and firm and get the right pressure, and they'll go in flush. These are only 10mm brads, that's the maximum this gun can take. So softwood seems to work fine. Hardwood, the staples go in no problem, but as you can see with the brads, I had difficulty fully sinking them in this hardwood. I think it's a bit of oak, but they didn't like going into this hardwood. So not the most powerful tacker, nailer. It will work on softwoods, but with brads on hardwood it might struggle a bit. Okay, so that is about it for this video. So my sort of conclusion of this tool, nice little handy tool. So very convenient with the USB Type-C to charge it, and the whole time I've been using it, it still says that the battery is on maximum, as you can see here. So battery life I was skeptical about, but it's actually pretty good in my experience. The on and off button works quite well, nice comfortable grip. There's no recoil when you're using it. It must be some sort of pendulum action rather than like a spring loaded type thing. So it's comfortable to use. Very easy to add the staples with the slidey mechanism here. Very simple, compact, convenient little tool. I used it on softwood mainly, using it with staples, perfect for that, no problem at all. Although power wise, as you saw when I checked it on the hardwood, it does struggle a bit even with only 10mm brads. No problem with staples, but with the small brads it really struggles to hammer them home on a hardwood. So if you're going to get this, I'd probably say for hardwood maybe not so much, but definitely for softwood it does a great job, and it's very likely that most of the things you're using it for will be softwood anyway. Very cheap, useful little tool, even at the full price. So I'm impressed with it. It's a good little tool. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.